So I already tried the chocolate. Now we're gonna try the other snacks that I got from Home Goods. I already did a haul before this, so I'm not gonna be showing you everything. So let's try this. Ah! Okay, this is dill pickle flavor. Mmm. You want one, honey? Yeah. This good. And per 1 cup, 11 grams of protein. So good. Okay. 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 The premium Asian rice crackers. Bro, why didn't that tear off? I'm sorry. That is so good. Okay, lock in. Oh, this looks like bird food. Like, you know, when you go to Petco and you see all the sad animals. So sad. So sad, honey. Don't go look. This one has cheese. Hold on. It's a cheese wheel. I'll give this one to honey. There's no chocolate. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh. These are so good. Mmm. Here. It's so good, honey. Mmm. Okay. This is so good. Okay. I need to slow down because I'm gonna go ham. But now let's try the cheese one by itself. Right, it's so good. That's so good. Okay, this is the maple pancake one. I know. Bro. Wow. Wow. Honey, I'm just wow. Okay, honey. Value size. Ginger. Ingredients. Sugar. Ugh. It said it was just ginger. It says just ginger. Then why are you saying, oh, there's sugar, ginger, tapioca starch, and coconut oil? Why is there sugar added? Like, I want it nasty. I did not. Real ingredients. Bro, at least use cane sugar. The other one uses cane sugar, so this is, okay. Why'd you turn around? Okay, how many are in here? 57? Okay. Honey, you can't have this, girl. I'm gonna have another one, but goodbye. I got other food too, but I'm not gonna show you.